probably wasn't the case 10 years ago,
or
100 years ago, or even 800 years ago. But it might have been the case tens of thousands to millions of years ago. Earth's landscape is constantly changing, though it often changes so slowly that humans don't notice it on an everyday basis. Scientists who study these landscapes and the clues that help us understand how they have changed over time are called geologists. Geologists examine a variety of clues to build an idea of what our world looked like many years ago. They examine layers of rock and structures found in amazing places, such as the Grand Canyon in Arizona, or the Arbol de Piedra in Bolivia, or the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. Geologists study what these rocks are made of and look for fossils of plants and animals found in these rocks. The incredible work that geologists have done has led us to understand that the rock walls that run hundreds of feet deep in the Grand Canyon were actually carved out over thousands of years by the slow but steady force of the Colorado River. Geologists' work has helped us to understand that some of the most beautiful beachside cliffs and arches were formed by the work of weathering and erosion caused by the persistent waves over time. This work even helps us understand how certain forces and processes that happen at a faster pace, such as natural disasters, have affected the landscape. Volcanoes, earthquakes, floods, and tsunamis.
Okay. What is it? Volcanoes?
Volcanoes.
Earthquakes?
Earthquakes.
Floods?
Floods.
Tsunamis?
Tsunamis.
Okay, so this is water, right? Floods are water, a flood of water. A tsunami is a big wave of water, right? Okay, so earthquakes. We felt an earthquake not too long ago, and everything shakes, right?
Volcano.
And a volcano. Yep, volcanoes erupt. Yep, you've been seeing those a lot too. We've watched those in the news too. Okay, we're gonna talk about those.
And affect the people and life that live in that region. Though they may be slow, the processes that change the earth are incredibly important. Next time you are outside, just try and imagine how the landscape around you may have looked different 10,000 years ago. What could have possibly caused strong, sturdy structures like mountains to change over time?
Okay. So what could have caused them to change?
Look at the land of the most beautiful beachside cliff surface, such as...
Okay. We're going to go through these.
Volcano.
Okay. Yep, volcanoes. So this is our mountain, right? It looks like you got two little mountains. You got like one right here and one right here.
One right here.
You see it? Yeah.
Can you see it?
You see it in the camera?
It's in the camera.
Okay. Okay, come here.
Okay, come here.
Watch.
Okay, watch. Okay.
So this is our dirt. This is a big mountain, right?
Big mountain, right?
Uh-huh.
Volcano.
Yeah, and there's a volcano in it sometimes. So, come here. Let's do this. What happens if I put water right here? What happens? Is the water going to go? Is the water going to go up, or is it going to go down?
Is it going to go down?
Yeah, it's going to go down, right? Okay. So it's going to go down. What's it going to do? Kind of starts to make everything push away. See?
Push away. See?
See how it's starting to form a little river? Can you see it? See? It's starting to pull everything with it. That's what it does. See, there's a little bit of blue in there. See? It's like a river, right?
River, right?
So, what is a flood?
Flood.
Uh-huh. A flood means there's too much water.
Flood.
Uh-huh. Too much water. Watch out.
Watch out.
Oh no! Did it change? It flooded.
This one.
Yeah, it flooded, huh?
How about this one?
That's a tsunami. That's a lot of water too.
Watch
I
out.
don't know if I can make a wave.
Watch out.
But did it change?
Watch out.
Look. Did it change?
Did it change?
You can see where it went. You can see the little trail. See where it's darker? And it's starting to pull everything away, right? So you can see where it gets darker and it starts to make a little bit of a trail. And now it's a river.
And then that's a river.
Okay. What's an earthquake? What's an earthquake? Earthquake is when the ground moves, right? You remember? When the ground shakes. Should we shake it?
Shake it.
Shake it?
Shake it.
Oh no! Ah, did it change it? Yeah, it changed it. Yep, that's that one. Yep, that's an earthquake.
That one.
Yeah.
Earthquake.
Did it change?
Did it change?
Yes or no?
Earthquake.
Did it change? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, it did, huh? It changes everything. All of the dirt starts to move, right? It starts to settle down in. And so it changed our river a little bit, right?
A river of it.
Uh-huh. You keep saying that one. What's that one? What's this one?
Volcano.
Volcano, right? Here we go.
There
Want to
we
see a
go.
volcano?
Did you see a volcano?
When it erupts, it's going to go down the same way that the river is, but it starts taking other stuff
This
with
way.
it, right?
This one.
Yep.
How about this one?
Look, is it leaving
This
a hole?
one. Hole.
It's leaving a hole.
It's leaving a hole.
Why is it leaving a hole? Yep. Look at what it did. It changed a lot.
It changed a lot.
There's a hole.
There's a hole.
Uh-huh. And you can't really see it very easily, but it's bubbling a little bit.
Bubbly.
So it's bubbling a little bit
Bubbling
because
a little
there's baking soda in there. It didn't do as much as I'd hoped, but it's bubbling. So
bubbling.
it changes everything. Did you see?
Did you see
Yep, it changed
it? It changed
all the dirt.
all the dirt. This one.
Does this look different than it was before?
This one.
Yeah, it was the volcano, that one, right?
That one.
So volcano, earthquake,
Earthquake.
flood,
Flood.
and tsunamis.
And tsunamis.
They're all going to change, right? So that's what this is. And now we're going to take the rest of this and make some oobleck. But that's not part of the same lesson. We'll just have fun with that. Okay. You say thank you.
So thank you.
Say hi to your teachers.
So hi teachers.
Awesome.